streets of Mumbai. Let's start. So firstly, in a bowl, we're gonna add puffed rice. You can find puffed rice pretty much anywhere. So that, we're gonna add some tomato. I like tomato. Then, we're gonna add tamarind chutney, also known as tamarind sauce. This is like a sweet chutney. It tastes really good with gravy. And then, a little bit of onions. Personally, I don't really like onions too much, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. And a bit of chili powder and salt. And a bit of this Punjabi mix. And then, all we do is mix it up. I'll see you guys when it's fully mixed. There you have it, bhel. Bhel is so easy. You can add pretty much anything to it. Like these ingredients I personally like, but you can add pretty much anything you want and it's gonna taste just as good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!